Hey everybody, welcome back for week 3 of PE. So this week you're going to have a different lesson or activity than the students at school. We found that last week by the time we found our home base and talked about our individual baskets where we're putting things and did review of our rules and procedures that we just ran out of time and did not get to complete our activity. So I'm going to give you a totally different activity to do at home this week. So this video is for all students in kindergarten through 6th grade. So you both, all grade levels, have the same warm-up Tabata exercises with some music. So if you click on this is different than last week. So you're going to watch the video and then they will tell you when to take a break and when to do the next exercise. So you're going to do that as your warm-up. That's all students. And then you're going to go down to lesson activity, and then it can either be K to 2 or 3 to 6. The activities are the same. The activity itself is the same. It's a scavenger hunt, but kindergarten through 2nd, you have some different exercises to do, and then 3rd through 6th. So still make sure to click on the exercises or the links under your grade level. I hope you guys had a great Labor Day 3-day weekend, and I look forward to seeing you again next week.